Hello and welcome to our channel. Our YouTube channel is going to be more about printers and printer consumables. I am Mahesh Kumar and I am representing a company called Livera Print Solutions. We are offering compatible printing solutions and compatible cartridges and printer accessories for all your printer needs to make your product very viable, reliable as well as economical. You may ask, why should I buy compatible cartridges when I can able to do refilling? Refilling is not a solution, it's a temporary solution. Refilling is like taking out your engine oil and putting a cloth and then just filter it using a cloth and again reusing the same engine oil. So refilling is only a temporary solution. It can offer a temporary solution for your printing needs, but it may have lines, it may have dots or powder spillovers can be possible. So when you can able to get the compatible cartridges almost at the cost of refilling, why should you need to go for it? How do I mean cost can be saved against OE cartridges? It can cost you around 2 to 2.5 rupees a page. Whereas a compatible cartridge, a brand new compatible cartridge can able to offer you at around 33 to 37 paisa, depends upon your print quality and its contents. Typically, you may ask us, what is the page yield of 12A compatible cartridge? Page yield of every cartridge depends upon the total amount of toner powder being fed inside at the time of manufacturing. There are cartridges which comes with a high yield, they call it as a high yield, which comes generally with 135-140 grams of toner, which may offer you around 2,000-2,300 pages, whereas a general 12A compatible cartridge of premium quality, which is what we as Livera sell, this product can able to give you somewhere between 1500 to 1800 pages. But there are cheaper products in the market, in the compatible products, which may offer you not more than around 1100 or 1200 pages, because those compatibles comes with 70 grams of toner, whereas we come with 95 to 100 grams of toner. Which are the printers which are compatible to this 12A cartridge? We have already mentioned in our pack, like you can see, it is suitable for HP LaserJet 1010, 1020, 1050, 1018, like 1022, 3020, M1005, and if you also, these can be used on Canon models like LBP 2900 and Fax, Canon Fax L100, for many such models compatible to HP Q2612 as well as Canon 104, FX9 and FX10. What would be Livera's value addition? Basically, Livera's value addition is that we offer a product which is competent enough and which is quality conscious, which can be incompetent with the alphanumeric printing equivalent to OE cartridges or even better sometimes. We offer a quality which is like a A or A plus grade, wherein we also give optimum powder level at around 95 to 100 grams, so that 1500 pages or to 1800 pages at 5% coverage area, which is an ISO standard. So these are the value additions what you can able to get is a very reliable product, and with a 3 months shelf warranty, with a testing warranty or whatever you may call it as. So that particular warranty gives you an edge so that you may able to stock 1 or 2 months or 3 months even. If in case if there is any physical damage or otherwise if there is any print problems at the time of you installing the new cartridge, we can able to offer you a replacement provided it has been qualified. So now let me show you the product. This is the airbag out of the box. So from that you can able to pull out the cartridge, and then out of this black cover you can able to pull out the cartridge, and this is how the cartridge looks like. This comes with this type of orange color pins. These pins has to be removed before usage, and you are not supposed to put it inside with these pins, because it may not go inside. And you may able to see a small ribbon like this one. This ribbon is supposed to be removed before you install this cartridge into this printer. If you don't remove it, you may not able to get, 1 or 2 prints may go, but after that the powder will not allow to come onto the drum. Before everything, before you just pull out this particular ribbon, what you have to do is gently you have to just shake this cartridge for 2-3 times like this. This will help the powder to get evenly flown over there. After that, during initialization, the cartridge will get an even stands of powder, so that there will not be any left or right. The powder has been getting over dumped. So this is how this can be installed, and any more informations you may contact our office, whose number is given below, and we are ready to help you out in any circumstances. Thank you, and looking forward to seeing the next video. Please do subscribe, click on the bell icon. Thank you.